let us consider this problem. Write down the Nernst equation and calculate the EMF of the cell. The cell setup is given here. It is represented as copper electrode dipped in copper 2 plus ion with the concentration 0.13 molar. Then it is in contact with the other electrode, that is silver electrode, through the salt bridge, and the silver electrode is represented as cathode here, that is Ag dipped in Ag plus ion. So the concentration of copper 2 plus is 0.13 molar, whereas Ag plus is 10 power minus 4 molar solution. The given values are E0, that is cell EMF is given as standard cell EMF is given minus 0.76 volt. Gas constant is 8.314 joule per Kelvin per mole. Faraday 96,500 coulombs. And the concepts introduced here is Nernst equation for the cell EMF. So E is equal to E0 minus 2.303 RT into NF into log of K or Q, where K is called the equilibrium constant of the cell reaction. And we had to apply the law of mass action, where from we can find out the equilibrium constant or reaction quotient. So here the product of the concentration of the product divided by the product of the concentration of the reactant with the molar coefficient raised to their respective powers. Here at anode oxidation takes place. So oxidation is nothing but removal of electron. So copper 2 plus 2E. And at cathode reduction takes place. Reduction is represented by H. So here we are taken Ag plus. So Ag plus E gives Ag, but there are 2 electrons, so you had to multiply the entire equation by 2. So 2Ag plus 2E, that gives a 2Ag. Now the cell reaction, you can add these two so that you are able to get the cell reaction. So copper, you can strike out this 2E since they are present on the other sides. So Cu plus 2Ag 2 plus gives Cu2 plus Ag. Now we have to work out the equilibrium constant based on this LMA, laws of mass action. So K is equal to the product of the concentration of the product. So here the concentration of a solid is, that is active mass of solid, is taken as unity, that is 1. So copper 2 plus concentration divided by, and you have got 2 Ag, and this is copper solid, so that is ignored. So Ag plus whole square. So do you have got any doubt here? Right. Now here E is equal to, we can apply the Nernst equation, E naught cell minus 2.303 8.314 298 into log of 0.13 divided by 10 power minus 4 whole squared, whole divided by 2 into 96,500. And 10 power minus 4 whole squared means 10 power minus 8, and that can be brought to the numerator. So 0.13 into 10 power 8. Is it clear? Now 0.46, we can substitute the value of E naught cell, that is given here as 0.46. So 0.46 minus 2.3 etc. whole divided by 2 into 96,500 into log of 0.13 into 10 power 8. So here you should note down, this is a constant value introduced to convert the, that is 2.303 is a factor that is introduced to convert natural log to the base 10. So it is after a constant 8.314, that is also a constant, or T standard temperature, that is 25 degrees Celsius, which is given as 298 Kelvin. So all this is put together divided by 96,500. So this value is obtained as a 0.059. So you can introduce this equation E is equal to E naught cell. We can simplify further, minus 0.059 divided by N into log of Q. So this Q is nothing but 0.13 into 10 power 8. So by using this equation, you are able to get a 0.22 volt. Now, how to calculate this? So first we will attempt to calculate this 0.059 from this value. So you have to take the logarithm and we will work out the logarithmic practice also. Okay. Now listen. In the logarithm, so this is called Cluck's table, scientific data book or science data book. Here you have got the logarithm and anti-logarithm table. Okay. Now let us work out the numerical part of it. Take a separate sheet. Now what is the equation? We want to work out this 2.303, is it not? So E is equal to E naught cell minus 2.303 into 8.314 into 298 divided by N into 96,500. So we will work out this. We will try to obtain the value of 2.303 into 8.314 into 298 whole divided by 96,500. Now first take the numerator. So 2.3, you had to find out the log of 2.303, right? Then log of 8.314 and then log of 298. So you had to find out the values of this, and in logarithm multiplication means you had to add. So you had to find out all these values in logarithm table and add this and obtain a value. And you have got log of 96,500. Okay. So that is equal to, take the value. So you had to subtract here. And you got the value. From this value you had to find out the anti-log. So once you are able to get the anti-log, you can get the value. Okay. Now let us proceed. What is the log 2.303? So how to check this value? You have got the let us consider so here never use a pen, use always a pencil. For checking the logarithmic values. So here 2.303, log 2.303 means we have to check 23 and 0 and mean difference 3. Mean difference is 6 and this is 3635 or 3617. So 3617 plus 6, so 3623. Am I right? So you can write down 3623. Put 0.3623 and then 8.314. Again take the logarithm of 8.314 means 83. Take 83 and 314. 83 1 9191 and 4 values 2 mean difference. So 9193. Okay. So you can mention as 0.9193 and then 29 8.314. 8.314 means 80. 8.314 83 9191 and 8.314 1. So you can take only one. So here 2. You need not take the last one. Okay, you can ignore. So 91 93 and then log 298. Log 298 29 8. So 29 8. 8 is 4742. So take 4742. So this is 4742 and how to take the value? Here 298 3 digits. So you can put 2 point. 3 digit means 2 point. You can reduce 1 digit here. So 2 point this much. And what about 96 500? 96 5. For 0 you can ignore it. So 98 96 5. You can check it in 5. So 5 means 98 45. So 98 45, right? And 1 2 3 4 5 digits, so you can put 4 point, right? Now let us add all these things. 3 6 plus 2 8, 4 plus 9 13 plus 2 15, balance 1, 8 9 15, balance 1, 5 14 17, balance 1 3. Okay, so this is the sum of the numerator logarithmic values. Then subtract this 4.9845. So 8 minus 5 3, 5 minus 4 1, 15 minus 8 7, and then you have got 14 6, that is 16. 16 minus 9 7, and what about this? This is 2. Okay, so 2 minus 4, that is 2 bar. Are you able to follow? Now 7713. So 7713 means take the antilog of 0.7713. 0.7713 means 4. So 5906. So 5906. Okay. So what you have to do is you take 5.906 into 10 power and you can drop this value as 10 power minus 2. Okay. So this is the value. You can convert this into 0.59, 0.059 also. So 0.05906. Okay, 06, and you can reduce to 0.059. So I hope now you should be able to understand how to get the value using logarithm. So E naught cell minus 0.059 divided by, and put n, into log of here the q or k. So into log q. So this is the reduced formula. Okay, so you straight away you can make use of this one, provided the temperature is kept at 25 degree Celsius or 298 Kelvin. Now let us substitute here. E is equal to, what is the E naught cell value? The E naught cell value is given here. that is a 0.46, 0.46, and then minus, and what is the value of this much? 0.059. So you can put 0.059 divided by n is 2 here, into log of the q value we already arrived at, which is nothing but 0.3 into 10 power 8. So 0.313 into 10 power 8. Okay. So now you have to work out the logarithmic value for this. Using logarithmic value you can work out. So all these logarithm values are used only for multiplication and division and not for subtraction. So let us work out these value first. Focus on this. Okay. So log, what is the numerator here? That is 0.059. And then you had to find out the log of this much. That is done separately. So 0.46 minus 0.059 divided by 2. Put the value first. So log of this much is, you can put 8 point, that is log of 0.13 into 10 power 8 is given as 8.13. So before that you have to convert this into scientific notation for a better conversion into log. So you can put log and here 1.3 into 10 power 7. This is the best way. Now you can put 7 point and find out the logarithm for 13. Okay. So what is the value? Work out. For 13, what is the logarithmic value? 1139, correct? So 1139. Now what you are supposed to do, you have already taken the log value and introduce here. So into, you have to consider this 7.1139. You must understand that we are going to use this logarithm value for working out the multiplication and division, right? And before that you had to convert this into log value. Okay, so once again you have to do it. So log of this much, again we are focusing these values. So 0.059 and numerator is log of, what is that? 7.1139. Okay, what you are supposed to do? You have to add and subtract to log 2 value. Okay, and find out the, subtract it and find out antilog for this. So this is the way you have to do it. Now what is the log 0.059, which is nothing but the antilog value of this one. Okay, you can straight away put, so this is 2 bar 7713. So that is equal to log 7.1139. So log 7.1139 means 71, you have to put 71,139. Okay, so 71 1 3 39 means 4. So you can take 4 2. So 8521. Is it not? So 8521 and this is 0 point. Are able to follow? Now you can add 4 1 plus 2 3 7 plus 5 12 balance 1 9 16 balance 1 1 plus 2 bar 1 bar, and for log 2 value 0.3010. So subtract 4 2 2 6 minus 3 3 1 bar, you can drop as such. So you have to find out the value of 0.3224. So take the antilog of 0.3 to 24, 0.3 to 2094, is it not? 2094 and 2 means 1, so 2095. Okay, so 2095, 2095. So how you have to do it? 2.095 into 10 power, you can drop the value as 10 power minus 1, so which is nothing but 0.02095. Do you understand? So for 0.2, so 0.2095, is it not? So 0.2095 is the value. Now you can consider this 46, you have got already 46, is it not? So take this 0.46 minus, what is this value? You can take it as 21 also, so 0.21, is it not? So 6 minus 1, 5, 4 minus 2, 2. So the value is 0.25 volt. Okay, so this is the way you have to get. So what is the E value? That is 2.5. You can declare this as 2.5, right?